I'm going to repair the seat portion of this vintage rocking chair. So the frame is still strong, but this gave way already. It's a very old rocking chair. The back portion is still good. No need to repair it. No need to touch it. So I don't know how to make the netting. No one in our area knows. I think very few people know how to make this native netting. So if you're faced with this similar situation, just measure the dimensions of the dimension of the seat area, back to front, left to right. To cover that portion, I'll be using a plywood 3/4 inch thick. If you want to hide that portion, cut the letter L here so that you can push the plywood further back. Plywood is longer than the seat dimension, so don't cut it yet. Deal with this first, with this letter L portion. Once you're done cutting the L portion, you can now cut the front portion. All you have to do is get a pencil or chalk and then mark it under, so you'll have the exact measurement. I rounded off the corners and sanded the whole thing. So it's done. Okay, time for coffee. Oh yeah.